My phone went to 5% and the recording ended. So yeah, it is a two-parter. Yeah. Back to the review. That's the wrong weapon, Rustlord. That later. Okay. Originally reviewing before the recording stopped was this rare pump. And I was talking about how is he supposed to hold it? Just how? How is he supposed to hold it? Like this, but then his other hand can't go to the pump part. Anna. See? Can't get to it. And I don't want to break it. So, yeah. That's that. Next item on the list. The list is epic assault rifle or SCAR. The thing says epic legendary, which does not make sense. So, it's an epic. It's purple. It's epic. It's an epic assault rifle. Other people call it the SCAR. It's actually a SCAR OL or LO. I forgot. I think it's OL. So, yeah. SCAR, epic SCAR, OL, or assault rifle. Next. The epic LMG. The best gun in the game. Arguably, this is the best gun in the game if it was legendary. I say this is. Who else thinks this gun is the best gun in Fortnite? Who else, eh? Yeah. So I thought it is. In the comments section, go ahead, argue about this is not or this is. Because it has a tripod, which is cool. Comes with this mag. I have a action figure, army figure, that actually came with a gun like this. It actually had the bullet detail right here. And a whole bunch of more detail than this. But hey, I'm not complaining. Fortnite is cartoony. It's not supposed to have a bunch of detail. That's its style. That's its thing. That's Fortnite's own thing. By the way, this video is not sponsored in any way by Fortnite. I just got to Target today and bought this. This set cost $19.99, or was it? It cost $24.99 or $24 US dollars. $24 US dollars. For this Fred. If you're wondering what happened to everything in the intermission, I guess you would call it an intermission. I put all the confetti in Fred over here, and yeah. Let's test the firing. Very powerful, packs a punch, eh? People argue that it should have been took away, which it did, because of the firing, the fire coming from the barrel, couldn't see anything. And people said it's horrible because when the enemy has it, it's overpowered or something. I argue it's okay. I argue it's the best gun. And my cat keeps trying to eat everything. So yeah. Gotta love them though. Talking about cats. That's all the epics. Okay. On to the legendary bolt. Anna, why are you trying to be the attention hog and be in the camera? Legendary bolt action sniper. Which they took away the legendary variant of this gun and replaced it with the legendary heavy. Anna. Which, I still like it. But the only legendary sniper there is that, and then the suppressor version. Maybe that's what this is supposed to be, but missing the suppressor. Okay, I'm gonna do both. Eh. I'm gonna do the both firing sounds, suppressed and not. Has one shot mag, but since I'm gonna do two different weapons, I'm gonna do same reloading, but as in like there's two. I'm gonna do like there's two bullets in the mag, because there's a suppressor and then there's no suppressor. Because in the real life, there's supposed to be a thing that goes like. Yeah, that's what this gun's based off. It's that, but with the gun that this gun is based off of, I think, has a thing that you pull up and then it pulls back. Hold on, real slow. Hand me that. You fire it. You fire it. Yeah, but Fortnite, it's this. Yeah. So, it's firing. Suppressed. Now, next legendary. The legendary grenade launcher. Forget about that blooper. That's the first blooper ever. That was recorded on video, and I'm going to post it. Yeah. Legendary grenade launcher. Give it up for the legendary grenade launcher. You can buy it for $50 in store, but buy it right now for the code blah 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 blah. You can buy it for $45.99. I don't know why I'm trying to be. Yeah, it's based off of real. All these guns are based off real life guns. I forgot which gun this is based off, but I know it's real, right? Yeah, because I'll show you what they're all called in the real world that I know of later. Okay, grenade launcher. Ka-tong, 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 ka-tong. This thing really packs a punch. Yes, indeed, Rust Lord. Too bad I can't twist the handle. That's how you reload it. Now. Ka-tong, ka-tong, ka-tong. By the way, these are bouncing off. Ka-tong, ka-tong, ka-tong. Yeah. Next. The legendary RPG, rocket launcher, whatever you want to call it. People call it an RPG, other people call it a rocket launcher. I don't know. It says it's called a rocket launcher, so I'm gonna call it a rocket launcher. Forgot which rocket launcher this is based off of. I'm sure it's like based off of a real life rocket launcher. But yeah, they went out. The people that made this stuff people that made this are called Jazzwares, I think. Yeah, Jazzwares. Says it right there, Jazzwares. I hope that's the company. The company that made Fortnite is Epic Games. Thanks to Epic Games and Jazzwares for making these toys. They went all out to do the detail of the little face on the rocket. Yeah. Firing. That's how to reload it. Wait, no, Russell, don't. Next. Legendary Burst Assault Rifle. Yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna do all through all the weapons what they're called in the real world. If I know the names. If I don't know the names, I'm gonna call them by what they're called in Fortnite. Okay, starting with the burst assault rifle. Legendary burst assault rifle. I know what the real life gun looks like this, but black. But I don't know what it's called. Next, LMG. Forgot what it's called, but in real life it actually looks like this, but this is green. Some parts of it are green. Pump shotgun. I don't know what it's called. This is Scar OL. This is Tommy or Thompson gun. This is bolt action sniper. This is a rocket launcher or RPG. This is an M16 or assault rifle. This is a grenade launcher. This is a submachine gun. Yeah. Now, our next models are Drift. And Rustlord. They're gonna be modeling the back blings. And then second to max tier Drift. If you're wondering what happened to Drift, I took off his cloak. Yeah, he got a little hot in there. Let's just say that. Okay, first Rustlord. Modeling the satchel. Yeah. Totally nailed it. Nailed it. Which I could have sworn I already showed you what he looks like wearing it. What do you think? For only $19.99, you can get the satchel for yourself for a low price. Buy it now for a low price of $19.99. Yeah. Just the cuddle bow for a low price of $4.99. Buy now in stores $4.99. Buy now for $2.99. You buy now, we'll throw in another one for free. So you and your friends can be cuddle leaders, cuddle squads. Yeah. Next, Scaly, which fits me because my username is ScalyRaptor1944. Even in Fortnite, that's it. Yeah. It's a backpack, but it's a dinosaur backpack. Back bling, whatever. Buy it now for the low price of $15.21. $15.99. If you buy it now, we'll bring in a free bright bag for free. Or if you want the bright bag itself alone, you can buy the bright bag for a low price of $14.99. It's a backpack, but with Senorita Unicornarita. Yeah. That's all the back blinks. That's everything. Oh yeah, with the stuff and the little stand I got from Drift, I built a little hut. Has stairs. This wood piece hates the brick. I don't know if it's just my pieces or if anyone else has this problem, but this does not want to snap in. Don't know why. I don't know if it's the Drift piece or the bricks. I think it's just the wooden Drift piece that came with it. This piece hates wood. It does not want to completely snap in. And then I break it or snap it in. Seriously. So yeah. That's all included with the Loot Llama. No, I'm not trying to open it. I'm trying to hold it. Yeah. Wait. How did this come out? Get back in there, you stuff. So yeah. Get at your local Target or Walmart for $25.99 or $24.99 US dollars. Yeah. See? Don't keep the confetti in it though. Do not try to put the confetti in it. It does not work. it does not stay in there. So yeah. That's the loot llama. You saw it here last. Saw it last here. Everyone else already reviewed it. So yeah, it's a great storage for all the Fortnite stuff you got from it. I already put the stuff in it. So now let me show you everything I'm gonna put in it. I already put all the like I said, I already put all the confetti in it. See, you can't see it because it's dark, but yeah, other than that, it's already in. It's the inside of a llama, guys. Bright bag, satchel, cuddle bow, which I like. Wait, give me that because I'm gonna need it after. Scaly. This. This. The manual. Drift. Too bad I already lost his pickaxe. What else? The LMG. Okay, let's destroy this horrible base. Oof! See, this just flung at my cat. This wood hates brick. Or the brick hates it. I don't know. Either way. This. GG. Or is it GSC? As in good showcase. Blue pump action shotgun. These things are already full. I have to take these apart. I might have to take these apart. Rocket launcher or RPG. What else? That's about it. I'm gonna put up. Wait, these. Anna, no. Let's just hope I don't drop my phone this time. Anna, no. That's all I'm gonna put in for now. I don't think it'll hold anymore. And I'm not sure if it will. I'm not gonna take the risk. Well, thank y'all so much for stopping by. That has been the Loot Llama. Thank y'all so much for stopping by. Do you have anything to say, Anna? No? What about you, Emma? No? Okay. Always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.